Alright, y'all, we are here at Not Scary Farm. We're at the buffet right now. We're gonna get some food, start eating. I'm really excited. Everything looks really good. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all when we get the food, get the drinks and all that, and then hopefully we get a picture. There was one year, I'm gonna put the picture up. There was one year, I think it was 21 or 22, that we came and we got a picture with all the monsters. It was actually really cool. So.
Sheesh. What's up, man?
What's up, brother? How are you?
All right, let me turn you around for you. Get that good look.
Rice, chicken curry, fried chicken, meatballs, barbecue meatballs, turkey, tri-tip, fried chicken, Caesar salad, cheese pastas, mashed potatoes, more fried chicken. I mean, this place is awesome. It's definitely worth it, and you get a half-hour early entry. This is probably our third or fourth time doing this, and every time we do it, they kill it. So we're gonna finish this up real quick, and then we're off to the park. Oh my goodness. We're here. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Smile for the camera.
What the fuck am I target?
I already shit my pants. What's going on here? We're finally here. We're finally here.
I love those girls.
I know. We're finally here. Had to run back to the car to go take the backpack. But we're here. We're gonna do our first maze.
What's the fucking spider one?
Ah! Vibes in the cut. Daddy vibes in the cut.
Yes, sir.
You know we had to bring him.
Yup. How y'all doing? What you say? It was pretty good, low key. We already did 2 so far, but the first one was pretty good. Second one was alright. It was a lot of a couple of scares, and here and there it was just like walking. But overall, it's pretty good. Nice to get the night started, you know. Yep. Know what I mean? We got.
Granny! Nana! Nana! Grandma! Hey! Look at that big ass spider. The cocoon! The cocoon! Oh, I want to kiss him. Oh, she's kind of scary. What the fuck?
Sister, a human sister. For tonight, you are one. One flesh, one blood.
She's not even talking.
To benefit the next, to multiply. The next generation shall emerge.
Bah! Bah! Christopher Columbus. Oh, our left, our left. You gonna get your cheeks. Oh, shit, got my cheeks. We're entering a scare zone now. Whoa, whoa. Watch this, I'm about to just hold it like this the whole time. You're probably better content.
Grimoire, grimoire, damn these souls to our pages through dying breath.
Wow.
You guys gotta go. Go run my friend Corey or find a ranger or someone. Go. Stop walking. Start moving. Just.
Hey, you didn't get me. You didn't get me.
Oh, what the heck? Hello. Oh, 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 oh.
Wake up. Don't close your eyes. Gonna make it, soldier.
Oh, look at brain suit. Brain suit. Brains. Materials. Your thoughts so far?
My thoughts so far, it got dark pretty quick. The mazes are cool. People walk slow, and the masks aren't very scary. But it's creative and it's pretty good. I'm just more excited to see the other mazes that we haven't been to. This one might be good. The spider one was good. That spider fucking, I don't know if I caught it, but those spider costumes, that shit was good. Like walking on 4 legs and shit. But yeah, it was pretty cool. We're having a good time. Here with the squad, here with the fam, having a good time. Drop a like, drop a like, drop a sub, drop a comment. Just put, I don't know, these nuts in the comments. So I can know if they're paying attention or not.
Ay, ay, qué hermoso, qué hermoso. Te amo. What in the hell going on here? Oh shit! What the fuck? Oh shit! Scared me. This one's good. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Oh shit! Whoa! Instant replay.
Best sous chef in the business.
Oh, he's a cholo. That's a cholo one.
Oh yeah! Hey! Yeah!
All right, guys, a little break from the mazes. How have the mazes been?
Scary.
Super scary. She's been jumping and doing backflips and shit.
Don't expose me.
Anyway, yeah, we've done probably like 4 or 5 mazes now. It's been a great time. Now we're gonna ride Hang Time. After that, we're gonna do another couple, I think 2 or 3 more mazes after that. And then we're gonna ride Accelerator, Silver Bullet, etc.
Eat.
Eat. We gonna eat.
Funnel cake.
We gonna eat. Oh yeah, funnel cake.
Yeah.
Hey, knock knock.
Huh?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Joe.
Joe who?
Joe mama.
For those who visit this festival,
Yeah, picture.
You gotta flex with me.
Dad, get in. Dad, get in. Dad, get in. Get in. Sheesh. What about leg day? What about leg day? Oh, he skipped leg day. English or Spanish? English or Spanish? No? Can you do a backflip? Oh shit. Oh shit.
Rico's about to attempt basketball shot. So that middle one right there. So attempt to win one of these. Little do y'all know, he used to play basketball.
We have 2 more shots to try again.
Oh! Whoa! Right there. Oh! Damn, that's right.
Just give me my money. Shit, I thought it was cooked, bro.
You know what they always say, third time's a charm. Now be careful because as you're holding this, you'll draw a lot of attention for the clowns to come after you.
Oh.
Okay?
All right.
Hey, just for the jealous. For the jealous of you. Alright, thank you. Congratulations. Thank you everyone for playing.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh shit. Oh. 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 What the fuck? Hell yeah. I didn't think I was gonna do it either.
That was good.
Yeah?
Closer every time.
I know.
Go win me a jersey.
Let's go.
Tell him what you want.
We won I don't even know what it's called, low key. I don't know his name, but we won him. Alright. Let's all go to the live. Oh shit. Whoa.
Can't do this all window.
Oh shit. Aiden. Aiden, through the window. Come here. Whoa. Whoa, he's naked. Oh shit! He's horny. Whoa! Whoa! He's horny. Yo, that was good. That was pretty good. That was probably the best one. That was close.
I need to freaking TSC mark, but my hammer is better than yours. Try again! Wow, that's embarrassing. You weren't even trying.
Yo, I remember her from last year.
I was gonna ask.
Yo, Aiden, I remember her from last year. Yeah, her eyeballs. She has contacts in. I remember from last year. Otani, can I get a picture?
Not Otani.
Oh.
I'm better than he'll ever be.
Oh.
He just hit 51, right?
Right.
No, 52, 51 right now. Really? Yeah. Well, I'm still better. I'm 85, 85.
Oh, you got 585 bodies? That's
For a while.
crazy.
I've been there for a while, yeah.
Man.
Lefty or righty? What's it look like? Righty. You know what? I could do both. I really had to. You're a Mickey Mantle type.
Wait, one more question. English or Spanish? I love it. You're off the hook. Yo, he a real one though. Look at him. He a real one. He's not moving at all. Look. We're gonna walk away. He's still there. He's like Nardwar. Yo, he's committed. Yo. Aiden!
see a baseball player wear Converse like that.
I told him English or Spanish. Yo. No way. He's committed. How long does this go for?
Until he moves.
Move if you're better than Tony. This has been fun, but I got stuff to do.
I love you, man. Take care. Yes.
English and Spanish.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Cook my shit. Cook my shit. Yo.
It reversed you.
A ver, let's see what you got.
Come on, we need the sound effects, Sabrina.
That fool doing the stanky leg, bro. That's funny. Oh shit. Oh shit. We made it, y'all. We made it. I like the orange one. He getting down. Bandits don't think we brought another cat home. People like, another one? Alright, y'all, that has been the video for the most part. I hope you guys did enjoy the content that I could get for y'all. I know it's pretty dark and it's super loud and kind of shaky at times, but I hope you guys did enjoy all the content that I was able to get for y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed just us being here and having fun and, you know, laughing and shit. So if you guys did make it to this part of the video, drop a like, drop a comment, drop a sub. Let me know you did follow all the way to the end. As far as that goes, if you guys are debating on coming down here, I would highly recommend it. We'll see if we do a Halloween Horror Nights video in the future as well. So yeah, as far as that, it's been your boy. We're gonna continue to get more food, do more mazes, ride more rides and shit. So yeah, everybody have a good night. Peace and love. Thanks for tuning in.
To the hollow hearth, a mortal remains we commit, and from these muddy tombs we shall rise from the monken fire, and lo, the forsaken souls of the lake shall bow down to death's grip no more.
hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Dad, look, Dad. Dad, chupacabra. You got it, babe? Got it?
Dad was holding it back.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Hey! 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 Hey!
I want you. Whoa. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Oh shit. Whoa. Oh, the floor's moving. Doing great, babe. They got you good.
It gets better toward the end, right?
Mm-hmm.